Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive login and sign in and sign up website, or you can also call it as login and registration form using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now let's go through the website. You can see the image. Then the username is email. You can type text as well as email. The password, then forgot password button. You can see the hover effect, and you can see the hover effect on the sign in button. And when you click on the sign up button below, you will be taken to the sign up form. You can see the animation effect, the username, email address and password, and you can see the hover effect on the sign up button. And when you can see the hover effect on the social media icons. Then when you click on sign in, you will be taken back to sign in form, and by repeating the process you can move from sign in and as well as sign up form. This entire website is responsive, that is, it is also available in the mobile version. You can see this is the desktop version. You can see the effect. And now let's go to the mobile version. This is the mobile version of the login and registration form, or sign in and sign up form. You can see the effects. Then you can click from sign in to sign up using the buttons, the social media icons, the hovering effect. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, please do let me know in the comment section. Any project ideas, and you want any latest technologies that you want to learn, or frameworks that you want to learn, you want videos on, and definitely give any suggestions in the description, in the comment section. I will know, and I will try to return comment back to you. The source code is available in the description. Definitely try to build this project. So it is available in, it is entirely responsive website. Thank you.